Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are the DREEVAYSJ family. Si vous n'êtes pas sur le channel là, welcome to DREEVAYSJ family. Et si vous êtes déjà abonné avec channel là, merci. Pas oublier pour like, comment and subscribe. Pour nous garder plus belle vlog que nous allons poster pour nous. You guys, vlog jeudi est sponsorisé by SOJOS. Nous connaissons que nous travaillons avec eux déjà. So nous gagnons l'autre shades que vous voyez pour nous.
Different lens.
Really nice.
This earlier I was driving. By un petit coup les jaunes là considéré a fait une bagage nice.
Yeah, you guys.
So thank you guys for sending us the latest.
I'm going lot.
Appreciate it.
Okay, really nice.
You
It's
like it?
burgundy.
You like it?
Oh, ERIS IG too, we?
Yeah, there's got. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, I got one that's burgundy.
Nice.
This one is nice.
Very indeed.
Ooh, this one is cute.
This one, I really like this one.
Linette sa yo pa ple pou pon Paula. Nan mette description down below. Ou ka utilize code nou pou ka gen percentage off le wap pran glasses Paula. Nou konen se holiday, tout bagay nan sel and tout moun ka gon ti bagay ki yo ka fe yon lot moun kado, you guys.
Yes.
So
perfect gift.
Perfect gift. Nou konen tout moun bezon shades, toujou gen soleil, vraiment belle. And yo gen diferent couleur. So, pran Paula.
Yeah. Eris, you want to try it on this time?
You want to try it,
Vous
mama?
voulez mettre?
We want to try. Oh, and Leah avec outfit, Leah. That is so cute.
Yeah, she got you on. Let's see.
Let's see that one. Wow, Eris. This is so pretty.
Nice packaging, right? Belle package by Yovini. Belle net.
This is so pretty.
Yeah. Eris, put it on
Ça,
this
c'est
time.
vraiment belle. Put it on.
Come on, put it on.
Whoa.
Little you pair.
Fashionista.
Put it on.
Put it on, mama.
You wanna put it on?
You know, when they put on your glass, you like mommy and daddy.
Yeah, she don't want to put it
you
on.
have it. I'm going to say that you got me on
Yeah.
Wow, you're so pretty.
Take it.
Eris pas intéressée avec Linette là, but let me tell, she is so pretty. Because Daniel again, me met elle pour lui one time, and puis she was cute.
Yeah, well, you can't beat it. Okay, so guys, let's go. We heading out now?
Yeah, nous parler sortir dehors for a family outing. Nous parler where quelques Christmas lights que yo gen dehors, nous connaissons des some festivités, so nous parler where and gon côté qui snow a tombé que nous vraiment besoin where, you know, so not many nous avec nous pour nous check it out.
But I want to see a fresh snow tombe.
Yeah. Avant de sortir dehors, guys, this is our outfit. C'est ça nous mettez pour nous aller sortir. My glasses from SOJOS. Outfit, I think this was from Zara. And the bag is Petite Simone. Very cute. So pensez, Jeff.
Very nice. It looks nice. It's well put together with the shades, everything. We're good. And I'm just here vibing, you know? Everything on me is nice. You know?
So you guys,
nice.
nap sorti anale. Hey guys, so punya nou ale na kote nou prale ya. C'est un côté que nous te voyons sur TikTok. It's like un côté qui vraiment belle, li gen snow kap tombe pour Christmas. Nous te vle mene ERIS là especially because on est li décembre et nous vle pour faire plus interaction avec bagay pour décembre. So c'est là n'a pral menel. Pour li ka enjoy a little bit of time.
Yeah.
Just to enjoy.
It's gonna be nice. I'm excited. La way belle, I'm excited pour moi l'autre bois parce que j'aime moi quand tu go vivre Christmas tree ça d'abord l'autre bois et puis il y a plein lumière tout.
Yeah.
Un peu lumière, bagay Noel lumière, Christmas lumière, so I'm excited for my way.
I'm excited too. I got them.
Ça mène in Christmas spirit là net.
Yeah.
I say qu'on y a là toute journée on attend des musiques Christmas, toute journée toute la nuit c'est musique Christmas pour juste 1er janvier.
Yeah, just put me janvier.
Et puis n'a pas soupe jumeau.
Yeah.
Yeah, n'a pas soupe jumeau pour 1er janvier. Et ben rete branché avec nous là pour nous ka ouais toute belle bagay nous pral
faire. You guys don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Pour nous garder people love vlog que nous pral poster pour nous. Nous connaissons DREEVAYSJ family is back and I'm bringing videos back to back. So don't forget, pas oublier pour abonner avec channel là, you guys, okay?
Like and subscribe. Ba abonner, share, tout bagay. Tout bagay. Back tout moun yo, voye back tout moun. That's it.
That's it.
An ale.
Gade tree, ERIS son ti chien, ERIS ap gade li men lan. Men, gade pou set tree sa men san mi moun yo. Mwen ba yon wate yon tree? Si mwen kan lave sa la kaya la, mwen daba lave la kaya la. Men, yon dwo wo, yon pap ka rentre.
Say how are you, Tonton?
Thank you guys.
You're gonna be so excited.
You're gonna love it,
You're
ERIS.
gonna love it. Okay?
So it's gonna start in like 2 more minutes.
Yeah.
So we just waiting. So can't wait. Oh, Miss
Guys,
Noel.
Miss Noel, Miss Noel.
ERIS, look, ERIS.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold.
Guys, comment nous va bagarate?
Man, it was magical.
Yeah.
Bel bagay. Mwen soti mwen arete la chak jou men. Malheureusement nou pa arete la chak jou.
Yeah, it's really, really nice, you guys. Tout bagay fini. Nous taking a good time.
This is nice.
Oh, this is nice.
From dan yon cheval kon sa la kaya la.
Mes cheval marin va l'acheter moi.
Nap travay sou sa. Nap travay
So
sou cheval.
guys, activité a été bien fun. It was really nice. I had a good time. It was good.
Yup.
Where ERIS? ERIS, you see your soulier, everything.
That was nice.
Yeah, it was nice. So you guys, nap kite vlog la, nap wè nou nan on lot video. Peace.
I feel like